Hello there, I'm Francis Camtugan, yeah. Why am for same-sex marriage? Madami ng rason dyan bakit kailangang i-allow ang same-sex marriage sa Pilipinas. Ang dami na. May mga iba sobrang dramatic na mga rason, okay? But let's be more practical. We should be a more practical country, okay? So look, ang dami ng mga invitations sa kasal ng mga same-sex couples, okay? In Thailand. Okay, so see how much taxes ang hindi natin nakokolekta as Filipinos sa mga kasal na mga ito. Okay, so it's better to tax the gays, right? Rather than Thailand ang nakikinabang sa kanilang tourism, they have the pink dollar na tinatawag nila, okay? They allow what you call this na yung investment citizenship na tinatawag nila. If you invested certain amount of money, okay, you can be a resident of Thailand. Oh, okay. Meaning invested sa mga real properties nila, same as in Hong Kong before, 'di ba? May ganon, yeah. So yung mga gays, yung mga lesbians, or just a same-sex couple lang na gusto nilang i-protect lang yung kanilang mga estates, okay? So, they just decide to go to Thailand and then just, yung Thailand din nakikinabang di ba? Hindi ba natin nakikita yon? Okay, puro tayo Sodom and Gomorrah. Pero yung Thailand ang nakikinabang sa mga events ng mga gays at saka mga lesbians, okay? They spend a lot of money sa mga events, okay? 'Di ba? Why not na lang allow it on practicality. There can be compromise with the religious communities on that. You don't have to call it civil marriage, okay? We can have it civil union, but the effects are the same. Okay? And bahala na sila. Bahala na yung couples if they wanna call it marriage. Why do you criminalize terminologies, right? You can have it civil union. Kung hindi pa kaya talaga ng Pinas na i-digest yung word na same-sex marriage. Kasi nga marriage is a covenant, yeah. Just make it civil union but the same effects as marriage, yeah. Same as annulment, right? There's takot kayo dun sa word na the D word, the divorce, yeah. Pero i-expand na lang yung Article 36 so as to include number 1, one-time physical assault, number 2, closet homosexuality on one party or both, yeah. Number 3 is dissipation of conjugal funds. 4 is presence of a sexually transmissible disease. Okay? Yung mga ganon na mga grounds, okay, para expand na lang yung Article 36 kung ayaw yung D word. Same also with marriage. If you don't like the word marriage, we can do it civil union, 'di ba? Pero just look how much money ang mabe-benefit ng Thailand dito. Okay? The mere fact na 2 hours away lang ang Manila to Bangkok, 'di ba? Maubos lang tayo. Silang makikinabang sa pera ng mga bakla at mga tomboy. Kawawa naman tayo, 'di ba? Puro na lang kayo Sodom and Gomorrah, 'di ba? Ano mapapala niyo doon? Gutom. Down yung economy, 'di ba? Inflation is very high. Why not lang find ways na to make money? The government should make money to pay its utang and fund all these tawag dito yung mga social programs ng government.